be very honest, my first ever purchase from NYX Professional Makeup was their push-up lip lingerie. The swatch video is already up on my channel just in case, but the formula, I was so impressed with that I knew I had to try out more products from NYX Professional Makeup. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shreya. For today's product review, I have a makeup game changer and a huge savior, especially during this pandemic when mask is the new normal. So yeah, without wasting any minute, let's jump straight into this video. Before proceeding with the actual video, a little brief about NYX. NYX is a professional makeup brand with great quality products and accessible pricing. It's vegan and cruelty free. Moving on to the products that I've been talking about, the first one being the NYX Professional Dewy Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray and NYX Professional Matte Finish Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. This is how the bottle looks like. It retails for Rs 875 for 60 ml of product, and this is how the packaging looks like. Now this is pretty travel friendly. Coming on to my preferences while using a makeup setting spray, number one, it should make my makeup mask proof. Now living in the situation of pandemic just means masks are the new normal. Therefore I just hate it when the makeup transfers onto the mask. It just is not something I'm looking for. Number two, I am an oily skin type, therefore I need something that could control my oils, keep my makeup intact all day and budge proof. Now the way that I'll be testing these makeup setting spray would be I'll swatch a few NYX products on one of my hands with the setting spray on and on one hand without it. For swatching, I have used this eyeshadow palette. The colors that I've used is this one and this one. And the lipstick that I'll be testing is the push-up lip lingerie. On this hand I will be using a setting spray and on this hand I won't be using a setting spray. So let's see how it performs. I'll use the matte finish one. I'll just shake it properly and I will be I'll let it dry. This side I haven't used a makeup setting spray. Let's see how this performs. It has smudged totally. For this one, let's see. I've used the same intensity and you see that? Okay, so currently I have a full face of makeup on and the only thing that is left is a setting spray, for which I'll be using the matte finish one since I'm an oily skin type. Also for the highlight, I have used this Born to Glow illuminator on my high points, and I've used the lipstick NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Prague. I've used this shade as my blush on, so the only thing that is left is a setting spray. Let's see how it performs. It's very easy to use. It's completely hassle free. You have to keep the setting spray at a distance of 6 inches and spray it evenly all over your face. Let it dry and you're good to go. I loved about the mist, it was so fine and so refreshing. I'm all set for the day. I have a long day ahead. I have my office. Currently it's 9 AM. So I will be doing a few check-ins all throughout the day just to see whether my makeup is holding well or not. So yeah, let's see that. Few of the other ways that I like to use this makeup setting spray would be as a primer before foundation, or to enhance the pigmentation of an eyeshadow, or to enhance the highlight. The long-lasting claim that it makes is absolutely true. I've used this product time and again over this past 2 weeks, and few of the things that I've observed is that it keeps the makeup mask proof the entire day. It keeps my oils in control and just gives such a nice shine and everything to the makeup. So basically, if you are somebody who is looking for a long-lasting makeup setting spray, go ahead and invest in this one, especially when the wedding seasons are on, the festivities are on. one should definitely invest in a makeup setting spray to keep the makeup locked in the entire day. For purchasing NYX products, you can log on to Nykaa.com as it exclusively retails over there only. For your convenience, I will be leaving purchase links down in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. On that note, I'll be ending this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care.